x, y, z, and small b is equal to 3, 4, 9. This is small b. Here we shall define a new matrix which is known as augmented matrix. So augmented matrix is I shall denote it by a suffix b. So this is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, minus 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, this. This is A matrix, and separate this B matrix, that is 3, it is 4, it is 9. Now I just look at this matrix. From this matrix I can easily say that what was the system of equations. First equation is x plus y plus z equal to 3. Second equation is 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 4. Third equation is x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 9. Now, if a student of class 9, 10 want to solve this system of equation, actually it is unknown. This method is unknown to this student. So he will solve in this way. I just look at this board. He will solve in this way. Equation 2 minus 2 times equation 1. This will give you equation in terms of yz, and then equation 2 minus equation 1. This also gives an equation in terms of y and z. Then easily you can solve for y and z, and then put value of yz. Here you will get value of x. When you are doing equation 2 minus 2 times equation 1, it is actually R2 second row minus 2 times first row. So that means देखो equation 2 minus equation 1 माने it is actually R2, sorry, this is equation 3. Equation 3 minus equation 1 माने it is R3 minus R1. So that means we shall apply only row operations on AB matrix. Just you will apply only row operation on AB matrix. So use row operation. लिखो, we shall apply only row operations on AB. We shall apply only row operations on AB. So AB goes to I shall always try to keep this element 1, because using this 1 I shall make these elements 0. So keep this element as it is 1 1 1 this 3. Then R2 goes to R2 minus 2 times R1. So this gives, this is 0, this is minus 3, this is 1. this is minus 2, and then R3 goes to, it is R3 minus R1. So this is 0, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6. Now now we can change these two equations because I want to make this element 1. So here if I change these two rows, then I can divide this row by 2. We will get 1 easily. So next is this thing. This is R2 and R3 interchanged. So this will give you 1 1 1 dot dot this 3. This is 0 2 4, it is 6. Then 0, this is minus 3, this is 1, this is minus 2. Now we can make this element 1 by multiplying this row by minus 1 by 2. So next step here, next is this. Here R2 goes to 1 by 2 times R2. So this will give you 1 1 1 dot dot this is 3. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is 0, it is minus 3, it is 1, it is minus 2. Now using this one, I shall make this element 0. So next is this. देखो next is this. So R3 goes to, this is R3 goes to R3 plus 3 times R2. Then this gives you, it is 1 1 1. This is 3. 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is 0, this is 0. This will become 7. This will become 7. And next is this. We can make this element 1 by multiplying this row by 1 by 7. So R3 goes to 1 by 7 times R3. This gives you 1 1 1 dot dot this is 3. This is 0 1 2, this is 3. 0 0 1, it is 1. Now this is the changed matrix. From this matrix I can say what is the system of equation now. But before that, just look at this board. Here this is a matrix and this whole thing is a B matrix. Here rank of A matrix is 3. Rank mane number of non-zero rows. There are 3 non-zero rows. So that means rank of A is equal to 3. And clearly rank of total matrix is also 3. So I can write here rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to 3, which is equal to actually number of variables. When rank of AB is number of variables, then the system will have unique solution. Therefore, the system has unique solution. Now write the system, change system. The system of equation becomes x plus y plus z equal to 3. First equation. Second equation is y plus 2z is equal to 3. Third equation is z equal to 1. This is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3. So from 2 and 3 we get y is equal to 1, and from 1 we get x is equal to 1. Therefore, solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. This is the method. Now I shall just discuss two results and then I shall end today. Just look at this board. देखो, suppose this is the last matrix and this was the last matrix, AB matrix. For example, suppose this element is 0, this element is 0, then rank of A, and these are the results actually. Then rank of A and rank of AB is equal to 2 because number of non-zero row is 2. This is less than number of variables. This implies, this indicates, I देखो, then actually we will get two equations. Equations are x plus y plus z equal to 3 and y plus 2z equal to 3. From here we can say that number of variable is 3 but number of equations is 2. That means the system will have infinite number of solutions. So implies system has infinite number of solutions. Then another result is this. For example, suppose this is 0 but this is 1. Then here rank of A is equal to 2 and rank of AB is 3. So this is not equal to rank of AB. Rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. And in this case, देखो, third equation is not valid equation. Third equation is 0x plus 0y plus 0z is equal to 1. That means third equation is 0 is equal to 1, which is not possible. So this indicates that the system has no solution. That means in this case the system is inconsistent. So consistent माने solvable. तो system is consistent when, so that means system is consistent when rank of A is equal to rank of AB. This is condition that a system is solvable. So system is solvable when rank of A is equal to rank of AB and the system is inconsistent when rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. So today I have discussed the method of solving system of equations. Thank you student. In next video I shall send you some different topics. Thank you all. Thank you.